Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, your own from Merchant Navy Decoded. Well guys, one of the most stupid mistakes that anybody can make is thinking that I know these stuffs, but actually you do not know. So just recently I got a call from one of the fourth engineers on board ship and he told me, sir, I have bought your Achievers package. It is doing fantastic, sir. Sir, I did not understood Purifier ever in my life. Purifier मेरे को कभी समझ में नहीं आया. But sir, after watching your videos on the Achievers package regarding the Purifier system, now I understand Purifier system very well. I बोला wow, very good. कहते सर आपने सर गजब काम किया, फैंटाबुलस वर्क, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, आई एम जस्ट ब्लोन अवे. तो मैंने बोला ओके फाइन. तो आई जस्ट टोल्ड हिम कि भाई व्हाट डिड यू लाइक अबाउट प्यूरीफायर मस्ट. ही टोल्ड मी सर मुझे ये अच्छा लगा, आई लाइक दिस, आई लाइक दिस. देन ही टोल्ड मी सर बट आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. मैंने बोला पूछो. Then he asked me a question. When I tried to answer him and the way he was reasoning me out, I could understand the basic concepts are lacking. मुझे ऐसा लगा. तो I asked him यार ये बताओ मुझे कि चलो leave alone. I asked him चलो मुझे ये बताओ कि what is the difference between a supercharger and a turbocharger. See now this is a very basic question that I have explained in Dreamers package. Right? The guy could not explain me that. Now there is no harm. See as a fourth engineer it is not important that you know everything and anything. सो यासदी मुझे बताओ कि ड्यू पॉइंट क्या होता है. एक्सप्लेन इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. मुझे बताओ रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी क्या होती है. व्हाट इज रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. सो व्हेन आई वाज आस्किंग दिस सिंपल क्वेश्चंस आई वाज नॉट गेटिंग आंसर्स. आई न्यू कि जितना मर्जी ये अचीवर पैकेज पढ़ ले, नो मैटर हाउ मच ही स्टडीज द अचीवर पैकेज, द बेसिक फाउंडेशन विल ऑलवेज बी वीक. सो द पर्पस इज नॉट सॉर्टेड. एंड आई टोल्ड हिम वन थिंग, बट यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड एनीथिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक द ड्रीमर्स पैकेज, कंप्लीट इट. Make your own notes. Jump to the visionary package. Now since you are a fourth engineer, there will be around 60% of the things that you will be knowing from the visionary package itself, because there are a lot of practical videos out there. But 40% of the things are those which surely you will not be knowing still right now, which will help you. Now coming to the Achiever package, your basic fundamentals are clear, and now you can visualize each and everything that I am teaching you. That is how I take you from step 1 to step 2 to step 3. So please guys, जब एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है उसका अच्छे से इस्तेमाल कीजिए. Don't overlook the facts. Basic fundamentals remains your topmost priority. So please, for anyone and everyone who has straight away a fourth engineer, third engineer who has bought the Achiever package, don't make this mistake. Please go back to the basics. Dreamer package, visionary package, then comes the Achiever package, and finally the priceless package. And then many more packages coming, which will help you become a man of respect on ship. A man who is respected by his chief engineer, a man who is respected by his captain, not because he is just good in talking, but because he is good at his work, he knows his work, and which is one of the most important thing, and that's what Merchant Navy Decoded wants to be known for. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.